Now that the holiday season is over, I think many of us are in the same boat where we are craving a good refresh or reset to our homes. Although messes after the holidays are expected and they just mean that you are living and loving life's beautiful moments, there is nothing like coming into a clean and organized space to quiet the mind. So join me as I tackle my mess in my Jewish home refresh. The past few weeks have been a blur of kids being home, lots of family fun and celebrations, which resulted in my home being very lived in, to say the least. In today's video, I'll be doing some cooking, organizing, tidying up, undecorating, and just generally getting my life together after all the recent holidays. So let's roll up our sleeves and let's get prepping. But before I tackle anything, I want to make sure to nourish my body with a delicious breakfast. So this is your reminder to not forget about yourselves. I get so many questions on how I make my coffee, so I'll take you along, and it's very simple. I just use this Nespresso machine and I place my pot of choice inside.
It also comes with this milk frother, which is the best. I fill it up halfway and turn it on. And you could actually do a hot brew or a cold brew. We're going to do a hot brew because it is freezing out.
I add in a little bit of sugar inside and the milk froth on the top. I do have a link to this Nespresso machine in my Amazon storefront for those of you who are interested. Now that my breakfast is made and my coffee is all ready, I take a few moments just to sit down and enjoy. The first place that I wanted to tackle was my bathroom. This is not going to be a deep clean video. I just wanted to give some attention to the places that I haven't given much attention to before. I needed to organize the spaces and restock my under the bathroom sink. So I'll be slowly doing that today. Now I'm just going to be using a baby wipe just to wipe down the counters and the toilet seat. I love using these when I'm in that between phase, when you don't really need such a deep clean in the bathroom. You just want to spruce things up and make things look a little bit more fresh. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Once a week or so, I restock our bathrooms with all the necessities like toilet paper, tissues, and wipes. While we're here cleaning up and tidying up the bathroom, I thought this was the perfect time to introduce Native. This is a company that I've started to use for a little while now. I got their deodorants as well as their body lotion. I've heard tons of things about this and I am so super excited. I've been using them and I'm actually in love with their scents. I got the lavender rose and the cucumber mint, which is my second favorite. It smells delish, but my absolute favorite is this sweet peach and nectar scent. It's just like, it smells like candy. You just want to eat it, but don't eat it. I love that their deodorants are aluminum free and they also have a plastic free option as well, which is great. Native also offers a plastic-free version of their formula, but with more sustainable packaging. The plastic-free version now comes in a new and improved package. It's earth-friendly and 100% plastic-free. Normally you can get 3 of these deodorants for $39, but if you use my code Sonya's Prep, you can get 3 of them for $26. That's over a 33% off rate. You can also get their body washes or lotions at a 20% off rate as well. So do check them out. I hope you're gonna love them. I'm so curious what kind of scent you guys will choose. So definitely check them out.
The bathroom is now all tidied up and nice and clean, which makes me so happy. The kids' bathroom. It's actually shockingly not so bad. Maybe because I told them to, tidy up the day before, so it's actually not bad. All I have to do is just tidy up this entire space. This room is not overly terrible. I just have pillows to pick up, books to put away. I want to remove this Hanukkah banner just to have it, be set for the usual day now. Now moving on to my kitchen, which is literally upside down after hosting our Hanukkah party. If you haven't seen that video, I have it linked up above and in the description box for you. There were things everywhere and dishes to be washed. I started off with emptying out my dishwasher so I can, of course, load it up once again. And through the magic of YouTube, the dishes are washed and put away, and what a difference that makes. I just need to wipe down my kitchen counters so I can get them dirty again in 5 minutes when I'll be meal prepping later on in the video. I know it sounds funny to be cleaning up a kitchen before you start cooking, but it's just very hard for me to function in a mess. I just can't seem to move fast when everything is cluttered or disorganized or messy. Once everything is cleaned and wiped and fresh looking, I'm just able to concentrate better and just get things done a lot faster. I always find it so satisfying to watch these types of cleaning videos and inspirational videos of how messy places become clean. And if you are enjoying this video, type into the comments, refresh the mess to inspire others to tackle what they need to do in their own homes. I also really needed to tackle a specific corner in my pantry that was driving me crazy. It's all of our party supplies like our tablecloths, napkins, and plates. I wanted to contain them all in a box or two so that they wouldn't fall all over and cause a mess each time we go in to get something. And it looks so much better now. It's later in the day now, the kids have been put to sleep and the house is clean and quiet, which gave me a boost to continue with the rest of my refresh and my reset in my home. I wanted to prep a few food items for my family, so I started off by placing some chicken drumsticks on a tray and added some duck sauce to the top of it. I massaged it with my fingers and added in some seasonings. I chose this time to just add in some paprika, salt, and black pepper. I kept it very, very simple. After the seasoning is all on them, I covered it with some foil and placed it into a 400-degree oven. Now that it's cold out and so many people are getting sick, I wanted to make a big pot of chicken soup so I can have it in my house. I was always taught to wash any kind of raw meat, and I know it's controversial. A lot of people say not to do it, but I just can't bring myself to just open a pack of meat and dump it into my food without washing. Are you in the same boat as I'm in? Let me know in the comments down below if you wash your raw meat or chicken before using it. I had a few fruits laying around like cranberries and blueberries that I wanted to make a compote with. Compote is basically like a natural fruit punch made out of fruit. The cranberries have tons of vitamin C and they give off a beautiful color to the fruit punch. So I wash all the fruits, I add them to the pot of water and let them cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. We also enjoy having basmati rice on hand for the week. I wash 2 cups of rice, add in 2.5 cups of water, salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix well, cover with foil, and place in a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. I wanted to make salad prep for the week easy, so I put on some yellow beets to boil as well as some eggs. Cubed roasted sweet potatoes goes really well in salads too, so I'll be making a tray of them also. Season it with salt and pepper and avocado oil. Place it in the oven until slightly crispy. At this point, I feel very accomplished with my meal prep. I utilized the entire stovetop and the oven. Cooking everything at the same time just ensures that I'll be able to get out of the kitchen quicker. Once the chicken soup boils, skim off the scum or the foam from the top of the surface, which ensures that you'll have a clear broth. I added in large chunks of vegetables to the stock and cook it for an hour or so. I added in celery, potatoes, carrots, anything that you really like and enjoy in your soup. The longer you cook it, the better it will taste. To season, I added in a few bay leaves, black pepper, and salt. I also wanted to use up some deli that I needed to get rid of in the fridge, so I'm going to be making a deli roll. Roll up the puff pastry just a little bit, and then I added in some mustard to the top. This just provides a nice flavor to it. I place in my deli and braid these two sides together. Egg wash it for a golden shine. I sprinkle on everything but the bagel seasoning and place it in the oven for 40 minutes, set at 400 degrees. Now everything has cooled off and it's time to place all of the items into their containers and into the fridge. The rice came out so fluffy. I love making it this way. Although the thought of spending an hour or two a week doing meal prep sounds so daunting, but in the long run, it really does save me so much time during the week. I let the compote cool completely before placing them into their pitchers. The chicken broth is looking amazing, and the extra chicken will make great additions to the salads for the week. It's the next day and I wanted to finally take down the rest of the decorations throughout the house and place them away until next year. I definitely feel very accomplished after this reset. I tackled many things that I needed to get done, and I hope this video gave you the motivation to refresh the mess in your home. Don't forget to check out Native for your discount code. Everything will be in the description box below. Happy prepping from my family to yours.